Hello and welcome to the new video. In this video, we will be creating a vector spiral design in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First of all, take a circle with the shortcut key L and make a circle like this. Now take line segment tool and make a line like this and make a horizontal line like this. Now align it to the center. Now take the line segment tool again and make a line from here. Take the rotate tool, click on the center of there, and by pressing Alt, click on the center. With an angle of 6 degrees, make a copy. Now make a copy of the circle by pressing Ctrl C and paste it in front. Increase its size like this. Select all. Press Shift and M for Shape Builder tool and click on here. We'll delete this circle and we'll delete these parts. Now select this shape. Click R for Rotate tool and click on here. Now drag it like this and make duplicates of this. Now delete this circle and this. To select all, click Ctrl and A and group it. Align it to the center. Decrease its size a little bit. Click on Effect. Now click on Distort and Transform and then click on Transform. Decrease the horizontal size. And decrease the vertical size. Rotate it. Make copies of it. And click on OK. Now click on Object and expand this. Change its color. Now ungroup it. Click on this one. Right click on it. Click on Transform and click on Reflect. With the angle of 90 degree vertically, click on OK. Now do this with all of these. Right click on it, click on Transform, click on Reflect, and with the angle of 90 degrees, click on OK. So this is how today we have created a spiral vector design in Adobe Illustrator. So if you have learned from this video and you like the video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a very lovely day. Thank you. Bye.